In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share polls in Skool community. If you're a member of a Skool community and looking to engage your peers in meaningful discussions, polls can be a fantastic tool. They're easy to set up and offer a great way to gather opinions quickly. Let's dive into the steps to get your first poll up and running. First, you'll want to head over to Skool. Open your preferred browser and type in Skool into your search engine. When the results populate, simply click on the first link. This should take you to the Skool website, your landing page, to a world of communities and interactions. Next, you'll need to log into your account. You probably already have your credentials ready, but if not, make sure you have your login details at hand. Once you're logged in, look toward the upper left corner of the screen. You should see two arrows there. Click on these arrows to proceed to the next step. This should reveal a list of various communities you're a part of. Click on your chosen community where you wish to create the poll. Select with confidence, as this will be the audience interacting with your poll. Now, once you're in your community's main area, you'll see an option that says Write Something. Click on it to bring up the Post Creation dialog. Here's where the real magic happens. Look for an option that allows you to add a poll. This is typically a button labeled Add Poll. Click on that, and a new interface will appear, prepared for you to enter your poll details. Once on the poll creation page, start by typing the options for your poll. Think about what you want to know from your audience and craft options that are clear and concise. This step is crucial, as it determines how your audience will respond and the kind of feedback you'll gather. After you've set up your poll options, it's time to give your poll a title. Enter a concise and descriptive title that conveys the essence of your poll. This will help attract participants' attention and encourage responses. You also have the option to add a description to your poll. This can be useful if your poll needs some context or if you want to clarify what kind of input you're looking for. A good description can enhance participation by making your intentions clear to your audience. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click on the Post button. This will publish your poll in the community, making it live for everyone to see and interact with. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've created and shared a poll with your Skool community. Enjoy the feedback and engagement, and perhaps use it to spark even more interesting discussions. Thanks for joining me today, and happy polling.